Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials, that your Xbox Live subscription is active and Sea of Thieves servers are reachable. Next, check your headset and controller physically and ensure firmware is recent. Once done, open Xbox settings and verify party and voice privacy allow communication. Restart the Xbox app and the game to clear transient bugs. These quick steps remove obvious blocks fast, so you can move into network and audio routing changes with a clean baseline and avoid wasting time on repeated checks. You now tackle networking. Make sure NAT is open because voice uses peer connections. Enable UPnP on your router or port forward UDP/TCP 3074. Once done, switch the console to a wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce latency and packet loss that break voice. Power cycle the modem and router and assign a static IP to the Xbox so port rules stay consistent. After applying changes, test party voice outside the game to confirm the network, allows peer audio. You finish by confirming Sea of Thieves audio routing. Choose party or game chat explicitly and raise mic and chat volumes in both game and console settings. Make sure the Xbox allows apps to access your microphone and that your privacy settings permit voice communication. Rejoin or recreate the party so voice sessions refresh. If voice still fails, swap headsets or test with another Xbox account to narrow whether hardware, profile, or network caused it. One key tip: power cycle after each major change to ensure settings fully apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.